This video is going to be a review of the Tipton Best Gun Vise. This is it, the platform, some of the pieces that I've already assembled. Hopefully I've done it correctly. I'll be back with the rest of it assembled and a review. From start to finish, it took me about 10 minutes. The only reason why it took me 10 minutes is I tried to be smarter than the gun vise itself. I had to take off the front forearm holder rest because I did it wrong. And then I read the directions and it guided me how to do it. So a couple features that I like about it. The front, you can lift it up. It stays locked in place. Holds it very securely. It's easily used for cleaning of the gun, the weapon, light gunsmithing. Center rest here works very, very well. Opening the breech of a gun. The rear is held in place very, very sturdy. Pick the whole thing up. Then to unlock it, the two handles back here will unlock it. The weapon easily comes right out. And lock it down again. The middle also has holders for solvents and jags and patches, whatever else you deem necessary for cleaning, holding small springs or screws. It says it's solvent resistant, so that helps out. A little shout out to my Spikes Tactical AR. One of my favorite features on there. Recommending it? Yes, absolutely. So, the back part, you got the extra rest here, lock it in place, different size weapons, move it forward and backwards, depending on the length. The center, again, move it back and forth and lock it in place. If you want, you can flip it down, use it for shorter. Again, different platforms. On the front, again, movable for different sizes, and as you saw, the front rest does move, has like little clicks that it'll lock in on all the way up, and then you just twist this, again, hard with one hand, that locks it in place. This front is also movable, different length. There's these nice little holders here for small pieces, parts, solvents, jags, brushes, whatever, on both sides. And they say it's solvent resistant, so it should not break down. Again, plastic, but very sturdy. You know, trying to squeeze it, you can't really. Solid plastic. But I think I will add like maybe a 2x4 to the bottom here with the legs extending out to build a more stable platform. I'll be using this a lot for, again, light gunsmithing, cleaning of weapons, breaking them down. My next project is a customer's stock I'm refinishing for him. Here's my customer's stock locked into the Best Gun Vice. I took the middle section out because you don't need it whatsoever. adjusted it up so you can lift this while it's in place, do any type of adjustment you need, all while being securely locked in. Sorry about that. Using True Oil gun stock finishing kit to bring the stock back up to its full luster once I break it down to the original wood and do all the repairs it needs. And I will be doing a video on that step by step as well. Some of the wood is broken, has holes in it, but stock broken. Any comments or questions? Put them down below and I will return them. And subscribe and like. Thank you much, guys. Ciao.